Forgotten username recovery failed on Ameritrade mobile app fix. If you've ever tried to recover your Ameritrade mobile app username and failed, most people get this wrong by skipping critical verification steps or assuming the process is instant. The surprising truth is that a few careful steps can get you back in quickly. Step 1. Open the Ameritrade mobile app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Ameritrade will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails sometimes get filtered automatically, and multiple attempts in a short time can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather your verification information such as full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Ameritrade support directly with these details, including link bank or brokerage account information, can help speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, protecting your account from future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Ameritrade mobile app efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential to safeguarding your investments.